Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload a profile picture to your Viber account. So let's get started. First, we're gonna click on the circle that has like the little camera in it that's right above the name. So as you can see, you can set your profile picture from your photo gallery, your camera, so that means in real time you can take a photo, or with lenses. So for this video, we're gonna select our photo gallery. So when we're here in our gallery, we're gonna select the photo that we would like to display as our profile picture, for example, this one. So with your fingers, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can move it even in the bottom if you want, or in the top, or you can center it and zoom it out nicely. So when you're done editing it with your move and scale, you're gonna click on done. And as you can see, now it's set as our profile picture, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful videos. Bye!